Oh my gosh. We finally got some Indian food and I'm so excited. Gotta start with the samosas. Dip it in the sauce. Y'all, this is so freaking good. Let's try it with the chicken tikka masala. The perfect bite. We also got this amazing garlic naan. Taste test first. That's some good naan. Get some chicken in there. This is so flavorful. And the garlic naan is so fluffy. How are y'all liking the car mukbangs, by the way? I have a setup at home, but honestly, I'm liking filming in the car. Let me know if you guys are down with it. One more bite. I'll never get over this chicken.